Hi there, it's Master X here again. And today we are here somewhere in Ashaiman and we are shooting this scene with one of my very best actress I've ever worked with.
Hi.
Yes. So in this scene I want to break down the lighting we would use. A dramatic, moody kind of light. Let's just get straight into it, yeah? So I am using just one light. Let me show you the light. This one. I'm using this light. So because I am going for a dramatic look, I cannot point the light to my model like this. It makes it look amateur and stuff, yeah? So all I have to do to get a cinematic look is to position this light that my camera here now films her shadow side. So I have to find a way to do it this way. The moment I position the light this way, now the camera is filming her shadow side. I like to light the background instead of the character. Lighting the character and leaving the background makes the character very flat in the scene. The moment I light here like this, now you realize you can see the character even though she is dark. You can see her because there's light in the background. So I am going to position this light up there. So like that. Just positioning this light here like this creates the mood that I want. And now you do realize that I do not have the shadows that I had before. So you don't need much to be able to pull a scene off. This has been your simple cinematic lighting with just one light. Thank you for watching.